Now, a fare increase is just around the corner.
Commuters will pay more for their bus and taxi fares.
The fares will increase by 19% effective Sunday, October 15. The fares will again move up by 16% on April 1, 2024.
The fare has been increased already, and each time the fare increase, the pay now increase.
The Jamaican government's recent decision to approve a 35% fare increase for public transport operators has sent ripples through the nation, sparking both support and concern. This bold move was seen to be implemented in two phases, with the first 19% rise taking effect on Sunday, October 15, 2023, and a further 16% increase is planned for April 2024. This increase, however, will have profound implications attached for Jamaicans from all walks of life, given that these increases are not linked to any increase in salaries for the travelling public. The driving force behind this fare hike is the government's effort to mitigate the mounting operational costs borne by public bus and taxi operators. It is a response to the relentless economic pressures that have been encroaching on the sustainability of the public transportation system, which is a lifeline for countless Jamaicans who use these services. That's what the government said. But let me ask a question before we go further. Is this another way for the Jamaican public to pay back the SSL money that was stolen? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you think that's one of the ways that we are going to pay back the money, let's give the video a thumbs up. It is crucial, however, to recognize that while these fare increases are imminent, a lifeline remains for specific demographics: the unwaged, the elderly, disabled, and children who rely on the Jamaica Urban Transport Company and the Montego Bay Metro will continue to enjoy a 50% discount on adult fares. This targeted approach, aimed at safeguarding the vulnerable in society, is an admirable facet of the government's decision, but needs to be extended island-wide to make it a fairer system. However, the implications of these fare hikes extend beyond the mere adjustments of prices. They have a tangible impact on the daily lives of Jamaicans, especially school children and those who need to get to and from their places of employment, and the general public who rely heavily on public transportation. The government claims that their decision stems from the collaborative work of a subcommittee of the Public Transportation Operators Steering Committee, implies a concerted effort to balance the interest of all stakeholders, and therefore disregarding the travelling public. What remains uncertain is whether these fares should be fixed or adjustable in response to the changing economic conditions. The steering committee's active pursuit of solutions to the operational challenges within the public transportation system suggests that the government is committed to finding a sustainable solution that doesn't unduly burden the public. Inevitably, the Jamaican government's fare increase has evoked mixed reactions. The Jamaica Association of Transport Owners and Operators has vocally supported the move, arguing that it will provide much-needed relief for public transport operators. However, commuters have expressed the concerns about the impact on their daily lives. For many, public transportation is the primary mode of commuting, and even a moderate increase can have an effect on their financial well-being and their ability to make ends meet. The government have not declared the fare hike as immutable. They intend to monitor the situation closely and are open to any unforeseeable adjustments that are necessary, urging commuters to be patient and understanding during this period of transition. Hopefully, this demonstrates their commitment in ensuring the interests of the general public are not overlooked, as so often is the case when policies or changes does not reflect the interest of the Jamaican people. The Jamaican government's decision to increase bus and taxi fares serves as a necessary but challenging step in maintaining the integrity of the nation's public transportation system. The impact of this decision goes beyond the financial aspects of the transport system. It touches the daily lives of ordinary Jamaicans who are already struggling to make the high cost of daily living. The government's responsiveness to the concerns and its willingness to adapt are crucial factors in ensuring that this decision proves fair and equitable for all parties involved. If you found this video interesting or informative, please give it a thumbs up or leave your feedback in the comment section down below. If you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. And until we meet again here on Elite Jamaica, just want to say stay blessed and thank you for watching.
Elite Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.